G'day guys, welcome back to Wheelwork. Trust you're doing well as always. A little bit of a different video today, so something quite far left of field. So when you go left of field, go a bit more, and that's sort of what this video is on today. So basically what we're going to be doing today is putting together an electric Segway scooter. So I've just bought this thing, not really sure why. My justification was it was 10% of the cost of the road bike that I've just sold, and also was on special, got it for a really good price. I have ridden electric scooters several times before, and I always have found them quite fun. This is the Segway Ninebot F40A, I believe. So I can carry a bit more weight, which is great for me. Top speed of about 25k an hour. It's got a range of around 40 to 50 kilometers allegedly, but basically I'm just going to pull it out of the box, slap it together, and just show you what it looks like, because I just thought it would be interesting. So yeah, so I've just busted open the top of the box. That's just sort of what you're greeted with when you open it. This is not an unboxing video. I'm not one of those types of guys. Just got some instructions here and some tools. Got a spare tire and tube, I believe. Yeah, spare tire and tube, which is great. And then the actual thing itself. So I'll pull it out, we'll have a look. So that's it, out of the box, all assembled, all set up. Setup was super simple. All you have to do is lift up the steering upright handlebar stem thing. Just lift that up and lock it in. It does collapse back down. You loosen that lock, drop that down. This whole thing pivots down, and then that locks into here, and you can literally carry the thing around like a suitcase type of thing. And that also is the bell. Ding dong. The only other things you have to do is actually screw the actual handlebars in, which has got 4 screws, 2 here and 2 on the front, and pump up the tires, and that's it. So I'll probably just go through and take off these silly little things like that, off the lights and stuff like that. There is an app that you got to download to set the scooter up. So I will do that now. And yeah, so that's it. Disc brake on the rear, regenerative, wow, that is hard to say. Regenerative braking on the front wheel. So as you slow down, puts charge from the front, from the hub back into the battery. It is a front wheel drive scooter, front wheel drive only. 1 brake lever, which applies brake to the front and back wheels at the same time. So yeah, that's about it. I'll download the app now and we'll see what it looks like when it works. Well, that was actually a lot of fun. Even though it's fairly slow, you know, tops out at about 25k an hour, as you saw. It's super easy to ride. It's quite stable for what it is, and I just think it's going to come in handy for, you know, just in the area around where I live, picking up, dropping off customers' cars. Much easier to just jump on that and go around the corner than taking the car. But yeah, super easy to ride. Even my 75-year-old dad had a go. You can teach an old dog new tricks. So yeah, he can ride it, it's pretty simple. Now I know what you're all thinking, and I was thinking exactly the same thing when I first bought the scooter, and I think it's the first thing that most people with a bit of sense would think when they're looking at buying an electric scooter, and that is, can it do a skid? To those people, including myself, what I would say to you is it's an electric scooter. It's not something that you buy to do stuff like that on. It's just something that you use to commute around on. You know, if you want to do stuff like that, then an electric scooter is not for you. So basically, all I can say is grow up. Anyways, thanks always for watching, guys. If you like what you see, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care of yourselves and be good.